Today, y'all, we're starting out with just one bag of the Southern style diced hash brown potatoes. This is just the Kroger brand. How many ounces we got here? We got 32 ounces. If y'all want to dice up yourself some potatoes, go ahead and do that here. It might, make it taste a little bit better, adding a little extra love. But we're going to add in 1 pound of some cooked ground beef. Now, y'all, don't yell at me. I did not season this meat. And guess what? It's going to be just fine, because you know why? We're going to cook it with all these beautiful ingredients, and we're going to make sure that everything tastes good together. So I'm just going to give it a quick little stir, make sure that the potatoes and that meat get mixed around well, and that's way every bite gets cooked perfectly together. All right? We're doing 2 cans of some of the Kroger diced tomatoes. It's basically some Rotel, but this can was a little bit bigger. So these are 14.5 ounces, and I'm doing 2 of those. So if you want Rotel, you might need to use 3 of them, but otherwise you can use just this Kroger brand. You could even just use some diced tomatoes, or you can dice your own tomatoes, y'all, because I know some of you like to cook everything from scratch, and we all know that Kira doesn't. So we're just gonna get these 2 cans, get everything else mixed up, and we're gonna save us some time for this dinner, okay, y'all? All right, adding in just about just a 1/4 cup of some onion, chopped yellow onion, and that's gonna go with some garlic. Y'all already know I love me some garlic, so we're gonna do about probably 1 full tablespoon, kind of spread out, and I'm gonna mix this up just one more time. Actually, I'm not gonna mix it up quite yet. We're gonna add in just 1 can of some chicken broth, and we're gonna pour that over everything, and we're just gonna need a little bit of that liquid. We had a little bit of liquid, so this is just one of the regular size 10.5 ounce cans of chicken broth, and I'm gonna give this a quick little mix, because y'all, I have learned my lesson with doing a little cream cheese. Y'all already know I add cream cheese to everything, so I'm gonna mix all of this up first before throwing on top some of this cream cheese, because I know it is hard trying to stir with that big old block right on. So we're gonna add our 1 block of cream cheese. This one's just the Kroger kind, and yes, I already took it out the little plastic wrap. And then I'm adding in just a little white pepper, sprinkle some all over everywhere. And y'all, I've been loving this white pepper, so if you haven't tried it, it is a great alternative to just the regular ground black. And then just a little bit of salt, get a little dusting up, and then y'all, guess what? That's it. We're gonna add our lid on. We're gonna put this baby on high. It'll be on there for about 2 hours, or just until your potatoes are perfectly mushy, just the way you like them. All right, y'all, let's check out our little potato and ground beef, little goodiness. Y'all, I can hear that sizzle, and it smells delicious. So let's ruin what we made. Get that cream cheese nicely mixed in there. Y'all, look at that. This is beautiful. I cannot wait to serve this baby up with dinner. We are making us some green beans in the oven right now, and we got this little soup bowl. It is 32 degrees out here in Georgia, which is cold for us little Georgians out here, all right? So y'all, let's get us a good, look at that. That is perfectly creamy. Get us a nice little bowl full. And y'all, we're gonna get to enjoy dinner tonight as a family. Enjoy.